So before you take the tail light out, you're going to go underneath the vehicle in the rear bumper section, and you'll see the connector right here. You want to disconnect the electrical connector, pop out this safety clip. It's a little white clip. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool. Just pop this out. And once you get this clip out of the way, and you can pull down, push down this tab and pull. Might be difficult due to the sand and road salt. There we go. Phillips screwdriver, you have 2 mounting screws. Once you lift the tailgate open, take these 2 mount screws out. You're going to bring your body trim tool out here so that you can pull it forward. You're going to just pull it towards you. And now that you've already disconnected the connector on the bottom, you pull the harness right out. Before I put the tail light in, I'm going to put the safety clip back in the new harness, so that way I don't have to fidget that down there, and we'll just push that on. Remove the old grommets from the body panel that guide the tail light in. You have a top and a bottom. Take your harness, put it right down, guide these 2 holes up with the body. Give it a quick push in. Now you can remount your 2 taillight screws that go in the hatch area. And the light kind of moves around, just make sure it's centered. Now you can take your new pigtail from the lens, tail light I mean, and guide it up and click it.